Hello guys, welcome to Let's Do Accountancy.
Today we are going to learn a logical function used for accountancy.
If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoy our videos, do like and share with your friends. For more such interesting videos, hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. We will also provide various online courses on our website www.letsdo.com at super affordable prices. Do check them out.
I have selected only 4 Excel commands. They are mostly used in accounts. Which are these 4 commands? That is and, not, or, and if. I have divided lecture in 2 parts. That is part 1 I am covering and, not, and, or. In part 2 I am covering if command. So let's understand it. The English meaning of and is both the conditions should be satisfied. Both the conditions should be satisfied. If one condition is not satisfied, then your answer will become wrong. This command is especially useful for tax calculation, a comparison of data. This and command is useful, especially HR. They are using and command. Next one is not command. This is always opposite. If condition is satisfied, their answer is true, then this command will say answer is false. Always opposite. This command is more useful for comparison of data purpose. And third one is or command. Or command means any one condition should be satisfied. If you are given 2 conditions, either both conditions should be satisfied or one condition, then your answer becomes true. Please note that there is a difference between and or command. In and command, both the conditions should be satisfied. In or command, any one condition should be satisfied. We will practically understand how to use this command in Excel. So let's start it. Now and command. In and command, Excel has given an option to give a 30 possible test. How much? 30 possible test. Please note that after typing and command, you have to give first bracket, that is your first condition, comma, second condition. If there is no third, fourth condition, bracket close. Please note that I have not used anywhere space. Space is not allowed in any Excel function. If you by mistakenly give any space bar, then Excel automatically remove this space from any Excel function. In and command, your answer will be either true or false. In and, both the conditions should be satisfied. If any one condition is not satisfied, then your answer become false. Now we will do practice in Excel. I am typing the command and bracket open, selecting the cell greater than 900, comma, my second condition, again I am selecting cell greater than 400 and I am closing the bracket. So now we will explain. In F35 is greater than 900, whether this condition is satisfied? Answer is no, because if we apply 500 greater than 900, then this condition is not satisfied. But yes, second condition is satisfied. G35 is 700 and greater than sign 400, bracket close. So your answer becomes false because both the condition is not satisfied. Clear? Both the condition is not satisfied. Suppose I am writing here 300. Okay. Now this condition is satisfied, F35 500 and greater than 300, then your answer become true. Clear? Please note that in AND command both the conditions should be satisfied. Clear? Now we will move the next command, that is NOT command. This command gives always a opposite answer. Now let us see the example. Suppose in cell number A1 is 500 and cell number B1 is 700. Now I am applying this formula in cell number C1, equal to NOT bracket open A1 greater than B1. A1 is 500, B1 is 700. Whether is it true? No, it is a false. This condition is false. Then your answer is opposite, that is true. NOT command give always opposite answer. Clear? Now second example, NOT bracket open A1 less than equal to B1. A1 is 500, B1 is 700. Is it true? Yes, true. 700 is greater than 500, but your answer is false. Clear? And last example, whether A1 and B1 is equal? No, it is not equal. Then your answer become true, means always opposite answer. Now we will do practice in Excel. I am typing the command NOT bracket open F36 is equal to G36. Is it true? True. Your always answer should be opposite way. Now last one is OR command. OR command is opposite of AND command. Okay. In OR, any one condition is satisfied, then your answer is true. Let us start the example. In A1 is contain cash word, in B1 contain check word, in C1 contain pay order, and in D1 contain DD. So I have typed command in cell number F1 equal to OR bracket open A1 is equal to cash, A1 is equal to cash, comma B1 is equal to DD. So this second condition is not satisfied, but first condition is satisfied. That means your answer is true. Please note that in AND condition both the conditions should be satisfied. However, in OR command any one condition should be satisfied, then your answer become true. Now second example, OR bracket open A1 equal to cash, yes, condition is satisfied, C1 equal to pay order, C1 equal to pay order. Now both the conditions satisfy, yes, your answer is true. Now last example, F1 equal to OR bracket open A1 equal to DD and D1 equal to check. Both the condition are not satisfied. Okay, both the condition are not satisfied, then your answer is false. Let's do practice in Excel also. Equal to OR bracket open F37 is greater than 900. Whether this condition is satisfied? No. Second, G37 is greater than 100. Whether this condition is satisfied? Answer is yes. Then your answer is true. Clear? So we have done practice of and, not, or. Now we will move to summary of lecture. So friends, we have done Excel practice of 3 logical function, that is and, not, and, or. So now I am covering the summary of lecture. Okay, so let's start it. First command is and. Maximum 30 condition you can give, and please note that all conditions should be satisfied, then your answer become true. If any one condition is not satisfied, then your answer become false. Next one is not. If condition satisfied, your answer is false. And last one is or command. Maximum you can give 30 condition. Maximum you can give 30 condition. Please note that any one condition is satisfied, your answer is true. Please note that there is a difference in and or command. In and, all conditions should be satisfied. In or, any one condition should satisfy. These are functions specially used for HR, for tax calculation purpose. So my dear friends, please do practice and don't by heart the Excel command. You have to apply your mind where I should use these logical function. Okay, if you properly apply, you will get properly answer. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope that you have understood it. If you have any doubt, query, then please comment down in comment section. And to watch such type of videos, then please subscribe our channel. And to never miss an update from us, then please